Hello, everybody.
And hello, everybody.
This is Adam and Petri here to teach you today about the word none.
None? What's none?
Well, none is like another way to say, I do not have anything. So on our core board, I'm pointing to the not symbol over there.
What do you mean, not? Hey, something's different here, too.
Oh, that's right. You noticed that. Thanks for looking. I have a blanket right here in my hand.
Oh, I don't have one.
What? What was that?
Oh, wait, I can use that. I have none.
You're right. You do not have a blanket. I have one blanket, and you have...
None. How about this? I have 2 wings.
Oh, you know what? I have none. I do not have any wings. You have 2.
2 wings.
And I have none. How about this example? What's this?
Oh, a dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur. Rah, rah, rah.
Ah, that's a funny voice.
It is. I have 1 dinosaur. Petri, how many dinosaurs do you have?
I don't see any with me. I have none.
You're right. You have none. So that is an example that we can use to teach if you do not have something or if you have none. You have 0.
Oh, okay. I think I get it.
All right, kids, when you're doing your math lessons, remember the word none.
Bye, everybody.